After an inspiring time in Uganda for the conference, I decided to head west to a place often called the most beautiful city in Uganda. Welcome to Fort Portal City. Nestled at the foothills of the Rwenzori Mountains, Fort Portal is surrounded by incredible natural beauty, from breathtaking waterfalls to mysterious caves and royal history. Here, culture meets nature. Listen to those birds, and every corner has something beautiful story to tell. In this episode, we explore the Tooro Kingdom's Palace, the Tooro King's Palace, visit one of the beautiful culturally fit caves, and of course, waterfalls that make this city truly unforgettable. Not forgetting about the crater lakes, more than 50 crater lakes in Fort Portal. So, I am Joan, and this is episode 7 of my East Africa travel series, exploring Fort Portal now, a city in Uganda. Karibu, let's go! We are here, and this is what shows you that we are at Fort Portal, and we've been blessed by this wonderful rainbow that is here. And somebody just had an accident around this place, so it's really a sad thing. A motorbike and a small car, they just had an accident around. But enjoy Fort Portal City. They call it Kabarole. Like the local name is Kabarole. So this link bus is what you can use to come to Kampala. There are so many, it's like a fleet of vehicles just coming to Fort Portal, and behind me is the foot of Rwenzori Mountains where we are from. So enjoy. We must explore effectively. This is our first activity of the day, exploring the caves of Amabere Ganyina Mwiru. This loosely translates to the breast of Nyina Mwiru. Nyina Mwiru is a lady, is the name of a person. In the Batoro Kingdom, in Batoro language, they call it Amabere Ganyina Mwiru. In English, Amabere Caves, yeah? So the name comes from the legend Nyina Mwiru, who they say her breasts were cut by her father, the king, King Bukuku, because she refused to get married, and the breasts were thrown into the caves. So if you look at those caves, you see they have that shape of the breast of a woman. So it is believed that those breasts are for Nyina Mwiru. So you hike to the caves, you hike to the waterfalls, and you also hike to see some some crater lakes. They have at least 3 or 4 around that place. So on a clear day, you can, if you are lucky, you can see 3. They are actually twin. They call them twin lakes. Very beautiful. And the view, spectacular. Look at Mount Rwenzori from the background. Oh, Uganda is green. Hi. My phone didn't do it justice, please. Excuse my phone, but it was just beautiful. Have a break. And look at this beautiful view. Ooh.
It's really beautiful.
Welcome to Uganda, Fort Portal. Tooro. You call it Tooro?
Nice scenery.
Tooro Kingdom, or?
It is Tooro Kingdom. Tooro land.
Is it Kingdom?
It is Kingdom. Didn't you see the palace down here?
Mm-mm. We are walking through this because we want to go see the crater lakes. So here are people here going to see the crater lakes, but it rained here, so for anyone coming here, whether it rains or not, hiking shoes will be your best bet, just in case it rains, because the weather here is really unpredictable. It will come in handy if you have hiking shoes for all weather. And also proper clothing.
And you hear that there is a lot of malnutrition in Cameroon and Fort
They don't have food.
when these things are natural available.
Hey, why are you guys eating a lot of? We call this mapera in Swahili. How do you call them?
I'm doing my job very well. So everything you do, just know it is well documented.
Maybe I'll come back here in 20 years.
But it will make you stay around forever.
Where Google Map led us, Google Map led us here. Now my border guy has to go on his own, and I have to walk on to reach him. This kite, I cannot pronounce the name of the hill, but they say The guy who brought me here has never been here, and Imagine he lives around this place. The second place to visit was the Cheganwa Hill. Just follow the map on Google Map. It will lead you there. Don't feel afraid if you don't see it making sense, but you love the end product after you've arrived. So just follow the map. Don't divert. Also, after the hill, I went to the Tooro Palace because people told me to go visit it. It has a lot of history about the kingdom and also place. Remember, Uganda is divided into kingdoms. Is called King Oyo, whatever he said. I don't understand it.
King Oyo Nyimba Kabamba Iguru Rukida for Rukidi. No, Rukidi is the name for the
Kabarole Hill.
So and actually all this place around, but now these days they splitted it, like they formed a lot of districts. So like during the day, they are in the other corners of the doors. There are always two old women seated from morning to evening. Yes, so they be there, seated there. When it clocks like 6, they leave.
Yes, why? Oh,
the king is a lion.
Interesting.
And the drum for communication, the spears for defense, and what, you know. And the other one is the crown, the top one. So this is the main entrance, eh? When the king is leaving for an official function, he uses these doors.
This one symbolizes another land. I didn't find a guide at the palace, so I just got a military guide that explained a bunch of things to me. So for more information, you can just Google about Tooro history and the Tooro kingdom. It's a beautiful history, I promise you. And I traveled to get just a glimpse, so you can do more research if you are a historian. But from the palace, it was really dark in the evening, so I just went back to my hotel. And good night from here. A sumptuous meal, enjoying at the foothills of Mount Rwenzori. And by the way, it is cold, eh? It is cold, like very, 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 very cold. And also, I traveled during a rainy season, a wet season. So plan well, plan accordingly. Very green, but very cold, and the rains are unpredictable, just like Mombasa weather. Yeah. So good night from my hotel, and see you in the morning, and enjoy.